Welcome back to Homestead, Florida. Less than an hour away from the Florida Keys, this hidden gem in Capri at Isles of Oasis is one of the largest properties in the entire community. And even though there is an HOA, there are no restrictions for keeping boats, RVs, or both on your property. As always, before we head inside, please subscribe for more content like this, tap the bell so you can be the first to see properties such as this one before anyone else. My name is Michael Valencia with La Macchia Realty, and this is Living in South Florida. I can't wait to show you the backyard. Let's go. Welcome home to the spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and over 2,600 square feet of living space. On 2 stories, built in 2015 with a 2-car garage and a 2-car driveway and enough room to enjoy the company of your friends and family for any occasion. As you make your way inside, you'll notice the kitchen was perfectly built in the center of the home. Complemented with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, you'll always notice you're steps away from any direction where you're needed. And of course, the kitchen window, not just for natural light, but also to keep an eye on the kids while they're exploring the property. Let's make our way upstairs where we can rest and forget about the stressors of the day. First, you'll notice the laundry is conveniently located upstairs, so you never have to carry it up and down. Second, the rooms have their own walk-in closets, or measure as much as 15 by 12 feet and share the second bath that has a door dividing the shower from the dual sinks to make the bedtime routine a breeze. Finally, the primary suite, measuring almost 18 feet by 16.5 feet, has dual walk-in closets, dual sinks, a stand-up shower, and a tub with a window to help you relax, decompress, and forget the day. Finally, the main event, the backyard. This property measures 9,478 square feet, meaning it's under a quarter acre. But where the home was built on the land, it really feels like half an acre. Now picture this, there's enough room for a pool with an outdoor gazebo completed with a kitchen. Your RV and boat can easily be parked on the side via the double gate, so it won't be an eyesore while you're back here. And in this corner, you can build a half-court sports area. Guys, the bottom line is this, the only limit is your imagination. While your pool is being built, enjoy all the amenities the HOA has to offer. An event hall, a state-of-the-art gym, a resort-style pool, a splash park for the little ones, and a playground. This home is steps away from the Biscayne Everglades Greenway Trail, 45-minute drive to the Keys, 1 mile from Baptist Hospital, and 5 minutes to the new Target, Chick-fil-A, and Sprouts, and only 5.5 miles away from Homestead Air Reserve Base. Location is key. If you enjoyed this tour, please help support the channel by smashing that like button and sharing this video. If you're looking for any more information about this home, all of my information is in the description below. I look forward to hearing from you.